scrolling on YouTube, I was trying to find someone with the same type of hair texture as mine. Not everybody here was like as thick and coarse. My hair is just very much like
hey
horsey.
Guys, so right now I will do a voiceover because I'm currently talking to my mother, but I will talk throughout the video. So I just want to say I had on a wig for 3 weeks and I had in my dirty Meek Mill braids. So what I'm doing right now is just combing it out, detangling it before I go ahead and wash it. And then I'm going to wash it, and I'm using my Continuous Grace shampoo set. Now, this is my mama's hair crack. I love this stuff. It's like all natural, fruits and vegetables and essential oils blended up. So I use the shampoo, and then I am going to take the avocado hair mask, and I'm going to place that on the hair. So what I'm doing right now is just detangling, and y'all, my hair is just so thick. I do not like doing my hair. So I have this steaming cap from Amazon. I'm gonna list it down below. You place it in the oven for about 3 minutes, and I like mine's piping hot. I know it's not supposed to be piping hot, but I like mine's hot because I just need to make sure that it is steaming, it's doing what it's doing. So this is the steaming cap, and you can keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you just want your hair to be moisturized and saturated with that avocado hair mask. Now this is the part that I was struggling with. I never done these cold water wave perm rod set. So I was just really nervous on the products to use before I actually like go ahead and curl it up. So I'm just taking a leave-in conditioner. I actually love the way it made my hair feel towards the end, like the end result. It wasn't dry, it wasn't hard. It felt very lightweight. I like that. So you just want to take your leave-in conditioner or like something like a curling cream, and you want to use that throughout your hair. And then you're going to take your comb and part it in sections, and you just want to do smaller sections so that the curl could be more tighter curl. So what I do is I twist it first, just at the roots. I'm just gonna twist it just because my roots are really thick. They can get really thick and really puffy. So I'm just gonna twist it about 2 to 3 times, and now I'm going to twist it over the rod. Just like so. So you're going to keep twisting until you get to the end. Twist it as tight as possible to the root. And then you're going to place that string over the curl. So I'm going to keep doing it so you can catch on. So like I said, we are going to comb it out, detangle it, and we are going to twist it at the root. So I'm going to take my 2 strands, and we are going to twist it and twist it and twist it. I'm telling you, this came out so much better when I twisted at the roots compared to the ones in the back. I didn't twist at the roots, and I honestly love this way because the roots weren't puffy.
Feel me.
Now my hair does dry fast, so I'm just taking a spray bottle because I want the hair to be damp when I'm actually twisting it over the rod. So this one in the front was bothering me. It was just too loose. It wasn't as tight as I liked. So I'm gonna take it out, and look how curly it got. That's when I started getting excited. I'm like, oh shoot, my hair gonna really turn out cute.
Feel me. Oh my gosh, all right. So I'm so nervous. I don't know why, but I am so nervous on how my hair came out. Let me just show y'all the texture. I am so nervous. I shouldn't be this nervous. I shouldn't be this nervous. I shouldn't be this nervous. All right, I shouldn't be this nervous taking out my hair, but I am. I'm just scared of how I'm gonna look. Just some natural shit. I'm just really scared. So what I am gonna use is this hair silk by Cantu. All right, let's do it. So y'all, let me tell y'all, I just finished watching Inventing Anna. If you haven't seen it, you gotta watch it. It's on Netflix. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta let me know how y'all feel about Anna down below. Cause Anna is one crazy, determined. That's what I liked about her. Like, although she scammed many people, I just loved her determination to come to the States and do what she did. Ooh, this one feels very dry. I don't like that. I think this one I used a lot of mousse. On this side, I did use more mousse. But yeah, Anna was determined. Like, I love Anna. Some white girl who scammed some white girl who scammed rich people. Like, she bought her, not even, she ain't buy shit. She, like, let's just say, all right, if you seen Tinder Swindler, Anna is the Tinder Swindler, but the female version, the female GOAT. Other than that, I'm having a good day. My daughter is not here today. She went with her aunt, and I just think today I am going to go to a cafe and just relax, you know. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I wanna get cute, take some pictures, and just get some work done. Just be in an environment where I can get work done and just be in my zone. And even read a little bit of my book. I just finished Rich Dad Poor Dad, so I'm supposed to be reading Why the Rich Get Richer. So that's what I plan on doing today. Damn, you see, this is what I don't like. This is what I don't like. Why did girl? All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit more. I want it to be more full, so I'm very scared about this part. Like, I'm super nervous because I don't want it to be super frizzy, but let's just go for it. And the more you break it up, the more volume you have. I just don't like how the back, it didn't really like take the curl too much. I think, I don't know, just a little bit frizzy.
Feel me. Feel me.
I just don't like how the back, it didn't really like take the curl too much. I think, I don't know, just a little bit frizzy. My hair is so thick and coarse, so everyone else had more of a softer hair grade or a tighter curl pattern. So I just want to show y'all that us girls who have hair like mine, we can do it too. We can do it too.